Ava, how much do you love Daddy? Hey, Daddy, how much do you love Daddy? That much? Oh my goodness. How much do you love Mommy? Really? Ava, can you show Mommy where your dimples are? It's for Grandma Sue. Can you show Grandma Sue where your dimples are? Yay! You're very smart. Oh no, but we're filming. Is that your necklace? Are you kidding? You burped. You burped. Yeah, and you tell Grandma Sue, say, Grandma Sue, I love you. Ava, do you love Grandma Sue?
How much?
Yeah, how much? How much? Oh my goodness. Can you say bye-bye?